Welcome to the next series of videos for your next chapter on factorization. I'm really happy and glad to be doing the videos again after a long break. Before we start talking about factorization, let's talk about quick terminologies. So first one is factor. Now take any number, let's say 30. Now you know that you can write this as many ways. Let's say 2 into 15. You can also write it as 3 into 10. You can also write it as 5 into 6. You also write this as, let's say, 1 into 30. We usually don't write this because 1 is a factor for any number and the number is a factor for itself. So usually you don't write this. You don't write this. Yeah. So the factors for 30 would be now 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. Of all of this, the prime factors are 2, 3, and 5 because these are your prime numbers. So the factors that are prime numbers are called the prime factors, and this whole set is called the factors. So that clears what is a factor and what is a prime factor. Now you may get a algebraic term, and let's say you get an algebraic term which is, or we can also say algebraic expression, let's say 5xy, right? And for 5xy you can write it as 5 into x into y. Some people write it as 5 dot x dot y. You can also write it that way. But so here the factors for this algebraic expression are 5, x, and y. So this is called the algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Now similarly, if I say, hey, here is your algebraic expression, pause this video for a moment and try to write the factors. Yes, if you have got this as 3 into x and x plus 2, you're right. So that's quite simple. So let's do a little bit more complex one. So x plus 2 into y plus 3. So pause this video for a moment and write down all the algebraic factors for this expression. Yes, it's 2 into 5 into x plus 2 into y plus 3. So you're right. Now we know what algebraic factor is, or an algebraic expression is. Now let's look at what's factorization. Factorization is, let me erase this before I start talking about factorization. Let's take an example. That'll be always better, right? If I give you an algebraic expression, x squared plus 3x plus 2. If this is your algebraic expression, how would you find the factors, right? So the way to go about doing this is, let's talk about how to do this later. But this would turn out to be x plus 2 into x plus 1. You can try it out yourself. You can say, hey, you can represent this as x1, a square with sides x plus 2 and x plus 1, like the previous chapter we visualized. And you can visualize this as x and 1. So you have two sides with x plus 2 and x plus 1. That's what you have on the right hand side. And this whole area would give you the expression. So the area is expression, and the factors would be x plus 1 and x plus 2, which is what you see here. So let's multiply and see what happens. So x into x would be x squared, x into 1 would be x, 2 into x would be 2x, 2 into 1 would be 2. So if you add up this whole area, you get x squared plus 3x plus 2. And this is your algebraic expression. So the process of finding out the algebraic factors, so you want to find the factors from expression. So this process is called factorization. So obviously there are a lot of techniques to do this. In this chapter we are going to look into various techniques on how to break up an expression into factors which are elegant. So it's a real creative process and it's fun. I hope you'll enjoy this. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye.